I like to not be handcuffed by technology. Yeah, you're like, oh, did you want to add any photos or files on at all without some proprietary iTunes software that now needs to update and you'll wait an hour or two? Good, because even when it does, it's not going to work. Because it's got some DRM that it doesn't approve of or doesn't play with because it's Windows and they don't play well with each other. Like if they just added the ability to put apps in like an app drawer on the iPhone, which is my criticism from the beginning. And I was like, I just don't want it all on my desktop. I don't want it, it's a mess. And they're like, look at this innovation. You're like, yep, that's the word I'd use for it. Macs are great. I think anybody can pick up and run with them. But the problem is you get people who are trained on PCs, and so it's hard to acclimate. And then Mac is excellent for photo and video. It's like there's no comparison. I've used Premiere Pro, it's great, but it's complicated. I want to just drag stuff and point the filter and be like, make it. But PCs, I think, if you are advanced with computers, I think they're good. I can switch pieces out. I can, I don't know. I like them. It's my blanket. I do like it though. I mean, I've just grown up. I can program. I can replace some of the pieces, easily fixable. So I know Ryan would say because you need to fix them, but actually I haven't. I mean, it's been good. Well, I realized I get so engrossed in work that I sometimes forget my calendar. So I found this tiny little monitor that people use with Raspberry Pis. And so you can just drag a window. That's all I did, is just drag a Google Calendar window, but it's like a dedicated desk calendar. It's just an external monitor, that's it. It's better, I can see my day a little better and manage my time a little better, and so it works. Plus then you can put little pictures of your kids in there too. It's like a little picture frame. So every 30 seconds, you're just not updated though, it doesn't sync very well. He makes fun of me because he's like, oh, is that like a photo frame? But you have the analog version? It's yeah, it just rotates every 30 seconds.
That's why he never gets anything done, because he's just
I gotta
switching photographs
it's important,
constantly. It is important.